A great everyday carry setup isn't just about the gear, it's about creating a system that works perfectly for your lifestyle. In this video, we're checking out 9 modular EDC accessories that let you build a completely customizable daily carry system, whether you need better organization, faster access, or flexible storage on the go. From rugged options like the Cargo Works Tactical Laptop Backpack and the Tactical Geek Cache L6 Sling Bag, to compact organizers like the VIPERADE PL6 Tactical Modular EDC Organizer, these accessories are designed to adapt to your needs and evolve with your carry setup. Number 1. My bag betrayed me during the busiest commute ever. Laptop soaked, cables tangled, deadlines crashing down around me. People said just buy another backpack. I panicked. Then I found Cargo Works' 1 4-inch Tactical EDC pack. 1050D nylon, YKK zippers, built like it laughs at spills. Molle webbing and Velcro panel made it deceptively modular. Padded laptop and tablet sleeves hugged my devices. No movement. Quick smartphone pocket stopped frantic digging mid-platform panic. Reversed YKK hashite zippers with paracord pullers survived mud. Built on USMC Assault Pack DNA, mission-ready reliability. Commute transformed. Cables organized. Devices protected. Confidence returned. Attach pouches, flags, gadgets, Molle turned chaos into order. I felt invincible, walking through rain, subway, and crowded terminals. If you commute, travel, or train, this is essential. Grab the Cargo Works 1 4-inch now. Upgrade your daily carry. Number 2. I used to scramble for small essentials in every bag. Late flights, rainy hikes, rushed mornings, tiny things disappeared. Then I found the VIPERADE PL6 Tactical Modular EDC Organizer. At first glance, it felt simple, almost comforting. 3 size options fit every pocket of my life. Stretchy elastic pockets, hug flashlights, pens, chargers, and knives. Everything snaps into place and stays there, steady. The genuine leather sole plate feels warm and reassuring. Tight stitching means trust no elastic separates mid-use anymore. It attaches easily to backpacks, vests, or travel pouches. Molle hook and loop keeps everything secure and reachable. I stop rummaging, I start remembering where things belong. Morning coffee and keys, flashlight.com replaces frantic searching now. It's compact, lightweight, but holds a surprising amount. Battery packs, multi-tools, USB cables, each has its snug home. Perfect gift for loved ones who value order and readiness. I gave one to my sister before her trip. She cried, hugged me, then organized everything immediately. Everyday adventures feel safer with tools neatly at hand. No more lost chargers during crucial moments or storms. The elastic insert adapts to items of varying sizes. Hook-backed panel lets me expand storage exactly where needed. A tactile reminder that preparation can be gentle, loving. It isn't just gear, it's peace of mind packaged neatly. I treasure small conveniences that protect time and emotion. For hikers, parents, commuters, this organizer quietly changes routines. The build quality whispers reliability on every touch. It fits seamlessly into my daily carry and heart. Simple solutions like this make life feel thoughtfully arranged. Bring order, warmth, and readiness into someone's life today. Get the VIPERADE PL6 now. Organize with love. Start today. Number 3. Tired of bulky, jingling keychains ruining your pockets and day? Keys poking your leg, rattling, and getting impossibly tangled? You obsessively dig for the right key. Sound familiar? Wasting minutes fumbling at doors, car, or office every day. Traditional rings are noisy, bulky, and damage other items. Meet the Keyport Pivot 2, the future of everyday carry. Sleek, compact aluminum chassis replaces your old key chaos. Holds up to 9 keys and tools silently and securely. Reinforced D-ring secures car fobs and loose essentials effortlessly. Compact 3.47 inches long. Featherweight at 0.7 ounces. But it's more than a tidy key holder. Fully modular platform add multi-tools, pen, USB, or YubiKey. Snap-on modules include a mini flashlight and NEBA pocket knife. Swap anodized faceplates to match your style instantly. Aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless hardware for long-lasting durability. Proprietary locking clicks every 90 degrees, no unintended loosening. Assemble in minutes, no fiddly spacers or two-sided setups. Includes 2-year Keyport ID lost and found. Reconnects owner privately. No Bluetooth, app, or batteries, privacy first. Hassle-free. Before, jangling keys, fumbling, scratched phones, wasted time. After, silent, slim, organized carry keys deploy smoothly every time. Perfect for commuters, travelers, tradespeople, and everyday professionals. Backed by 2-year warranty and 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Makes a standout gift for birthdays, Father's Day, graduations. Tool-free assembly and rock-solid pivot hardware for daily use. Imagine a slim black pivot sliding into your pocket. Quiet, no more jingling, no more awkward pocket noise. Keyport Pivot 2. Streamlined, modular, smart carry reduced to essentials. Upgrade your carry today, get the Pivot 2 now. Register for Keyport ID and enjoy secure, lost and found protection. Number 4. Remember when you lost something important on a long trip? That sinking, feeling cold, helpless, miles from home and family. I carry memories, tools, and a little peace of mind. Meet the excellent Elite SPANKER Tactical EDC pouch I trust. Built from 500D Cordura, nylon and YKK zippers, rock solid. Its compact 5 by 2 by 7 inches surprisingly spacious. Dual zippered compartments keep essentials separated and easy to find. A removable Velcro phone pocket fits iPhone and Samsung models. Pens, keys, bandages, everything has its place. No frantic fumbling. Reinforced belt loops and Molle webbing secure it to gear. Snap-on straps fit belts, packs, vests, always within arm's reach. Drainage grommets and sturdy stitching stand up to rough weather. Lightweight, low-profile design doesn't weigh you down on hikes. It becomes a small, reliable companion on every journey. This isn't just gear, it's a promise of preparedness and care. For first responders, hikers, parents, anyone who values calm readiness. I slid my phone inside and felt instantly reassured. The zippers glide smoothly. The pull tabs are dependable. Organizing small medkits or cables suddenly feels simple, comforting. When storms come or plans change, I still have essentials. And if anything goes wrong, they stand behind their product. A 90-day replacement or refund. Real people. Real support. It carries more than items, it carries peace for loved ones. Imagine handing this to someone you care about. Relieved. Small, rugged, and honest, like the people who use it daily. A pouch that quietly protects moments that matter most. Choose reliable gear. Choose calm. Choose preparedness with confidence today. Order your excellent Elite SPANKER pouch and feel lighter. Carry essentials, memories, and reassurance wherever life takes you. Click now to protect what matters. Small pouch, big heart. Number 5. Ever fumble for small gear in a crowded cargo pocket? Keys, flashlights, pens, everything ends up in a tangled mess. Losing minutes digging destroys focus during hikes or shifts. You need a compact, reliable organizer that just works. Meet the Maxpedition E.D.C. Pocket Organizer Pocketable Power. Small at 5 by 7 by 1 inches, slips anywhere. Fits neatly in pant cargo pockets, backpacks, or pack panels. Built from rugged 1000 denier ballistic nylon for real durability. Dual genuine YKK zippers and high tensile webbing secure everything. Oversized heavy-duty grab handle makes grabbing fast and simple. Full clamshell opening gives clear, instant access to contents. Dual panel elastic loops with 9 and 6 divisions organize tools. Slip pockets and keyring keep small items secure. Knife, flashlight, pens, everything sits visible and held tight. Front 2x3 loop field accepts ID, morale, or medical patches. Molle straps on the back let you mount anywhere. Use Maxpedition tack tie straps for secure attachment, sold separately. Handcrafted with reinforced stitching, bar tacks, and Box X patterns for strength. Lab tested and field tested by tactical pros for real performance. Designed in Los Angeles, built to strict American quality standards. Trusted since 2003 by special forces, law enforcement, outdoor enthusiasts. Slip it into pants or toss into your day pack effortlessly. Watch me open it full clamshell, everything organized. Pens on one side, multi-tools and flashlight held firm. No more digging, no crushed cables, no lost tools. Perfect for EDC enthusiasts, first responders, and outdoor adventurers. It's small, tough, and keeps you calmly mission-ready daily. Upgrade your pockets, grab a Maxpedition E.D.C. Organizer today. Order now for fast shipping and peace of mind. Join professionals who trust Maxpedition carry smarter every day. Number 6. Always digging for tools and small items in your bag. Flashlights, keys, and pens disappear into loose compartments and chaos. Straps tangle, gear shifts, and important items get damaged. Backpacks without organization force slow searches during urgent moments. Replacing lost or broken EDC wastes money and causes frustration. 1000D Oxford nylon provides rugged, water, and wear resistance. Reinforced stitching ensures the organizer endures heavy daily use. Stretchable elastic webbing holds flashlights, tools, magazines securely in place. Hook-backed panel quickly mounts to any loop surface inside bags. Multiple sizes fit vests, chest rigs, backpacks, and camera bags. Find essential items instantly with organized elastic pockets and layout. Transfer the insert between bags in seconds. No reorganization needed. Ideal for travel, hiking, camping, work, and everyday carry. Protects gear from moisture and abrasion during harsh outdoor use. Durable, low-profile organization brings calm, readiness, and long-term value. Number 7. Tired of soggy gear and straps flapping while you commute? Phone buried, camera swinging, pockets overflowing daily carry feels chaotic. Meet the tactical Geek L6 EDC Modular Sling Bag. X-Pack fabric and 420D lining. Tear-resistant, weatherproof protective shell. G6 detachable strap switches sides quickly. Ambidextrous one-handed release. Elastic bands tidy excess strap length. No flapping during rides. Attach block E6, 0 or storage A8 for extra modular storage. Wear it crossbody, chest, or waist switch styles in seconds. Top zip main, front bungee, quick access pockets keep essentials ready. Compact dimensions fit camera, tablet, phone without bulky profile. Waterproof zippers and reinforced webbing stand up to elements. Perfect for cyclists, commuters, photographers, and weekend outdoor enthusiasts. Before, soggy, unorganized pockets. After, streamlined, protected, instantly accessible. Tactical Geek L6 delivers weatherproof, modular, fast access EDC. Upgrade your everyday carry. Grab the L6 in white. Order now and simplify your daily carry routine today. Number 8. Dawn City Light. I grab gear, uncertain what the day holds, a client call, a trail, and a long commute ahead. I need one bag to handle every unexpected twist. Enter the ModCase B2. Compact, tactical, unapologetically tough. 14 liters of modular space, deceptively organized inside clamshell opening, reveals tiered organizers and a padded laptop sleeve. The anti-shock compartment cradles my 14-inch laptop like armor Molle webbing, lets me attach essentials. Fast and secure loop panels accept patches, tools, organizers, endless customization, rugged 500D nylon fights abrasion. The bag takes punishment. Industry-leading waterproof zipper keeps everything dry during sudden downpours. Premium buckles and reinforced stitching make it last for years. Laser-cut precision and hand-stitching show craftsmanship you can trust. Thick, padded straps and breathable mesh erase shoulder fatigue quickly. Adjustable sternum and waist straps stabilize load on bumpy trails. I throw the pack on. City streets become a playground. At the cafe, everything is where I expect it to be. Quick access front pocket holds, charger, keys, and a compact flashlight. On the trail, compression straps keep gear stable and silent. Water splashes, The waterproof zipper refuses to betray my gear. Hidden rear valuables pocket keeps documents and wallet invisibly secure. For CCW users, the discrete compartment offers fast, safe access. Modular side pouches snap on for water bottles or first aid. Every attachment feels locked in. The Molle webbing never wavers. This bag is as comfortable on patrol as it is commuting. Lightweight profile hides a surprising amount of organized capacity. From sunrise hikes to late-night shifts, it adapts instantly. Durability, comfort, and modularity. Everything I ask from E.D.C. If you demand reliability, this becomes more than a bag. ModCase B2 isn't gear, it's confidence carried on your back. Number 9. Ever been stuck without the right tool outdoors? Juggling bulky toolboxes ruins pockets and camping efficiency. Missing a screwdriver turns simple fixes into long struggles. Meet the Roxon Spark CM134914 in one multi-tool. Independent locking mechanism keeps each tool firmly and safely locked. Pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, wire cutters, flint, whistle, more. Quick access blade opens one-handed, genuinely sharp out of box. Nylon reinforced handle feels light, grippy, comfortable in hand. Matte black coated plier body resists oxidation, looks high-end. Low-profile belt clip keeps this multi-tool ready on the go. Backed by a 5-year warranty and responsive customer service. On a camping trip, it replaced my whole toolbox. Fold-out knife, slice rope cleanly without any extra effort. Needle nose pliers grip small hooks. Cutters handled tangled fish line fast. Saw and awl made light work of branch and leather. Bottle and can openers popped drinks and canned food instantly. Strike the ferrocerium rod sparks, whistle signals during emergencies. Fits pocket comfortably, plus free nylon sheath included. Solid build, corrosion-resistant coating held up on rough jobs. Slide to unlock and tool locks prevent accidental closures. Very safe. Great for DIYers, saves time, space, and frustration. E.D.C fans will appreciate quick access and rugged design. Campers and hikers get tools for cutting, starting fires, repairs. Everything performed smoothly. No wobble, solid locks, sharp edges. I carry it daily, truly my go-to multi-tool. 14 functions. Compact body, reliable locking, practical and durable. If you want simplicity, grab the Roxon Spark now. 2. 5-year warranty means your purchase is risk-free and supported. Perfect gift for outdoorsy friends, practical, compact, impressive. Check the link below and add this EDC essential today. That was our list of 9 modular EDC accessories built to help you create a smarter, cleaner, and more personalized carry system every day. Whether you prefer tactical organization, minimalist pocket setups, or expandable bag systems, tools like the Maxpedition E.D.C pocket organizer and the versatile Roxon Spark multi-tool plier can make your daily carry more efficient and easier to manage. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow EDC enthusiasts looking to upgrade their setup with modular gear that truly fits their routine.